Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made 600 high-quality YouTube shorts in just 60 minutes using only AI, step by step. First, go to a tool like DeepSeek or any other AI platform you prefer. Once you're there, ask the AI to give you a question with 4 options and the correct answer at the end. Something like, give me a multiple choice question with 4 answers and include the correct one. Once the AI generates your content, head over to Canva, click on Create a Design, and choose the custom size under the social media section. You can use any vertical template that fits shorts. Choose a blank page to start from scratch. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for a video background. Pick one that looks engaging and set it as your background. Then, add a text box and paste in the question and the answer options you got from the AI. Now, here's the fun part. Add a countdown timer to your video. This makes it more interactive and keeps viewers engaged. Position the countdown above or below the question and adjust the timing so it matches the flow of your video. At the end of the countdown, insert another text box with the correct answer. Arrange the timeline so everything flows perfectly from question to options, then to the answer reveal. Once you're happy with how the video looks, just export it. Then upload it to YouTube Shorts. And that's it. This is one of the easiest ways to batch create engaging content using AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.